Hello and welcome to JCTV Zimbabwe, your channel of choice for all your political analysis, your sports analysis, and health talk. Everything that is interesting in Zimbabwe and across Africa. We talk about it with no fear or favor and with no prejudice. Today it's a special day. We are going to be having Mr. Makomborero Haruzivishe is going to be joining us very soon on the state of affairs in Zimbabwe. There's a lot of things that are happening in Zimbabwe, and we hope that as he joins us, we're going to talk about the clampdown by the authorities on the civil rights movement, and we're going to delve into that. And you don't want to miss this interview today. It's going to be special. So please call your friends and your family and tell them that the interview is on. We're going to be having Mr. Makomborero Haruzivishe is going to be joining us very soon, and we're going to be delving into that. But before he joins us, we're just going to be looking at the matters, issues that have been making headlines today and across the world. We know that there is the pandemic of coronavirus, and it has affected many lives. And yesterday, the Minister of Information and Publicity came out and she said that she disputed the fact that there was clamped down on the people who were exposing corruption, which is, for me, it's despicable. And also, on the other hand, there is something that I thought it is very important to us to note. The leader of LEAD, Mrs. Linda Masarira, she came out and she said that there are some people that are being paid to make sure that there is destabilization in Zimbabwe. How far true is that? We leave to see that. So those are some of the issues that we're going to be talking about. So you might need to send in your questions, and your comments on the comment section. And I'm going to open the line for everyone so that everyone can be part of the show. So it's going to be interesting today. So just share this video with your people and tell them that the live is on. So we're just waiting for Mr. Makomborero. Is going to be joining us very soon. But maybe I can pose in a question to you. What do you think? Do you think the statement by the minister was conclusive? Do you think it was it satisfying? And maybe the other question that I can ask you is that if they say that people are being paid to, they have evidence of embassies that are paying activists, and they have evidence, why not bring that evidence to the fore so that everyone else can find out? In 2016, when Donald Trump was being elected to be the president of America, and they had this, there was emails that was leaked of Hillary Clinton and all the ordering of the killing of Muammar Gaddafi and all those things. It was leaked, and when it was leaked, it was there for the public to see, and she was questioned. So if these people are being paid as they say it is, why not bring out that evidence? Let everyone see. Let them be the judge for themselves. Why do you keep the evidence and say we know the evidence, we have the evidence, yet you do not bring it out? So these are some of the issues that we're going to be talking about today. Hopefully, we are going to exhaust most of those issues. So please answer me this question that I'm asking so that we can continue with this discussion. But in the meantime, I'm going to play you a song. It's one of a song from our church as we getting ready Mr. Makomborero to join us very soon. So it's going to be just an interlude as we are getting ready to jump into the question and answer session with Mr. Makomborero Haruzivishe. That will be really interesting. So just tell me what you think on the comment section.
Yesu basatiba uyapanyika Manu vairora nekurorwa
Zvisina kusita
Vamwe vachivakadzimba nekushanda nesimba ravakapiwa naMwari Vanhu vairora nekurorwa
Zvisina kusita
Vamwe vachivakadzimba nekushanda nesimba ravakapiwa naMwari Asi mazuva edu vadikani kwamuka vamwe varume vanodisa mari kupfuura Mwari vanodisa zvenyika ino hanzi gore rinonze rako I decree and I declare unororwa chete unoivaka imba nekusita zvinoita chete unoitenga mota nezozve muzita raJesu aiwakani
muri kumura Mwari
usandimurira Mwari wangu
usandimurira Mwari
usandimurira Mwari wangu ndafunda
usandimurira Mwari
usandimurira Mwari wangu
usandimurira Mwari
tererei munze vadikani Yesu vasiuya panyika vakauya kuzotenga sesi yavo kuzoponesa vana vavo vasanangurwa vavo vavakatemera kare kwete nyaya dzedumbu idzi kwete nyaya dzenyika idzi kwete nyaya dzedumbu idzi kwete nyaya dzenyika idzi Dinero panyaya
Dinero
Kana wada mari wotoshanda kana wada imba
wotoshanda
kana wada mota
wotoshanda
kana wada penzi
wotoshanda
kana wada murume woto chapedzesa wega Sandimurira Mwari wangu ndapona
Sandimurira Mwari
Usandimurira Mwari wangu
Sandimurira Mwari
Dinero panyayai
Dinero
Dinero panyayai
Dinero
Dinero panyayai
Dinero
Dinero panyayai
Dinero
Tererei munze vadikani Yesu vasiuya panyika vakavinga nyaya yakakosha kuzoponesa vana vavo
Zvakanaka izvi.
Right. Once again, we are there today. As I said earlier on, that we are going to be joined by Mr. Makomborero Haruzivishe on these issues that we need to talk about as a nation, looking at the state of affairs of Zimbabwe. So I want you to pose in your questions on the comment section as we are waiting Mr. Makomborero to join us. He's going to be with us very, very soon. He promised me that he's going to be joining us very, very soon. He was just caught up somewhere, but he's going to be joining us. But the question that is there is that the main question that we have today is that what is your take on the government's heavy-handedness on everyone? It seems like everyone is opposition. Everyone is opposing. Everyone is working for America. Why is it that the government is saying that to people? Why is it that? Tell me, what do you think? Do you think, they are saying whenever people want to go out and protest, they say there is a regime change agenda. Whenever people want to go out and air out their views, there is a regime change agenda. Tell me what you think. Do you think that it is fair for people to be treated like that? I know I'm not saying ZANU must go, but I'm saying that whenever people protest, whenever they say ZANU must go, are they really protesting to say the president must go, or they are saying away with a system that is being repressive or oppressive? Tell me what you think. Why is it that there is always that statement to say we are, or people are being sponsored? This is really, uh, appalling for us to see that there is always that heavy-handedness on the civil rights movement. So you know, the trio Joanna Mamombe and Nitai, and who were arrested for faking abductions. If there is a third force, we want to know where that third force is coming from. You have evidence, bring it to us so that people can be the judge themselves. Do not judge on our behalf. That is my take. Tell me what you think on the comment section. I would really love to know what you think as we are waiting Mr. Makomborero to come. But maybe one might say, I want to be part of this conversation before Mr. Mako joins us. He was caught up in something, but he is coming very, very, very soon. We expect him to join us soon. So there you go. There is the link if you want to be maybe to whet our appetite and tell us what you think about this whole arrest that is happening. The arrest approaching on Jacob Mugabe, they are all trying to instigate people to do violence. Zimbabwean people so violent. We had a march in 2017 and there was no violence, no casualties, nobody was killed during that violence, no building was broken into, people were just marching on peacefully. So do you think that narrative of saying that people want to instigate people to violence, is it fair or is it true? So we're gonna find out that in a moment. So that is the subject that we have today, ladies and gentlemen, on JCTV Zimbabwe. On Twitter, you can follow JCTV Zimbabwe. On Facebook, you can follow JCTV Zimbabwe. The gentleman that I'm going to be having today, he has been arrested so many times, and I'm reading some of the articles that he had. He was sometime arrested with Patson Zamara. He was sometimes arrested for speaking about the 10 billion that was lost. He was also arrested on the 13th of May this year, and he was released on the 29th of June on bail. So he is somebody who is in and out of prison, So, I mean, that is what is happening in Zimbabwe. So tell me what you think on the comment section. I really want to hear from you. If you want to be part of the show right now as we await our guests to show up, please go into the comments section and follow the link that I've just posted, and you will be led straight to me, and I can put you on the link and you can air out your views. So that is the subject that we have today. Ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, we are here on JCTV Zimbabwe to talk about those issues, and I'm hoping that our guest is going to make it on time. Let me just get hold of him right now, Mr. Mako. So I'm still waiting for Mr. Mako to join us very soon. If you want to be part of the show, please feel free to follow the link and you can be. I know my brother Bongani could be waiting right now, watching the show. If you are here, just say what's up, what's up, what's up. Just say what's up so that we can start the show. Or tell a friend that it's gonna be amazing today as we are going to delve into those stories. So I was just giving you a profile of Makomborero, hoping that he's going to join us. And you remember in the Montante Commission, he was also there. He was that guy who came and testified about the brutality of the soldiers. So he's such a brave guy. And maybe some of you might think or what you're doing is dangerous. But if we have political apathy in Zimbabwe, what is going to be our future? If we have that political apathy of saying we cannot talk about anything, some might say, because you're in South Africa, you are not scared because you're in South Africa. No, there is no way you are safe in Zimbabwe. Here in South Africa, you can die, but in Zimbabwe, you can be arrested. There is no problem in us uh, doing the right thing and saying the right things, no matter the consequences. If you are saying the right thing, I believe that be ready to face the consequences of saying something that is right. It's almost like telling someone that you know that if you tell a girl that like beat your sister or your family relative that okay, do not tell her that if she continues to hang around with this man, he's going to impregnate her because she's going to hate you or she's not going to talk to you. Be ready to stand for the truth, to say what I'm telling you, if you do this, it's going to happen. But uh, even if I'm going to lose the friendship, I'm going to lose the friendship on the basis that I'm telling the truth. That is my stance. So I say things not because I'm trying to be anti-government, but I'm just saying that whenever they are doing good, we praise them. Whenever they are doing bad, we hold them to account as the citizens, because we voted for them. We uh, we are the ones that are paying the taxes, and so we have the right to say out our views. That's what democracy is all about. So some people might say, there is no democracy. We have to create the democracy ourselves as the citizens of Zimbabwe. So uh, I'm just waiting for you to come on board as we are waiting for our guest to show up. Let me just check up on him if he's ready, because he said he was going to be ready in a few minutes' time. All right, he should be coming on now. All right. The man should be ready in any moment from now. I was trying to get hold of him. So if you want to be part of the show, I see there are people here. Please, Ajishkise, please join in. If you want to say something, where is my sister Julie? Julie. If anyone can get hold of Julie Wacho, please uh, respond to my plea to say, come on board. Let's talk about this today, tonight on JCTV Zimbabwe. Sorry, guys, for keeping you in suspense. We're just having a bit of a challenge here. He's having a challenge with the So please share this video with I'm just waiting for people to for the men of the moment to show up so that we can grill him. All right, I'm just waiting for people to show up, guys. Waiting for the men to show up. So I'm just waiting people. Just give us a bit of time. All right. Here, just shout yes, I'm here. Then we can proceed.
He's not until you fall like you fly when your dreams come alive. He's not until you fall like you fly when your dreams come alive. You're a star.
All right. We are still struggling to get Mr. Makomborero to be part of the show. That's why I was asking you guys to to join in, so that because we are already late. We're 25 minutes into our show and we need to continue. I'm trying to get hold of him. He was saying he was caught up in traffic somewhere. So I was trying to give him a call so that probably we can do the interview telephonically. Right. Let me try again. Right. All right, I'm going to end this show now so that I can really get off hold of Mr. Makomborero, because we really need to do this interview for us to get his side of the story. So just sorry for the delay, but we're going to come back now in a moment.